top sources are telling Times Now that Hasina will leave for London along with her sister, who holds the citizenship of the UK, but there will be no long-term stay that has been promised by the United Kingdom. Fresh parleys after Hasina reaches the United Kingdom. My colleague Niyamika joins me live on the broadcast. Niyamika, we're getting to know that Sheikh Hasina will be leaving along with her sister any time now, but no, in fact, a long-term stay has been promised by the United Kingdom. What are your sources telling you?
Well, absolutely. We are also standing here at the Hindon airport where Sheikh Hasina had arrived here late evening yesterday, and as of now there is no official confirmation which has come related to Sheikh Hasina's when she is going to be there in London, when is she going to leave from the national capital as of now. But the sources which is being informing is that no longer stay has been approved on the part of the United Kingdom for the political asylum of Sheikh Hasina, as she is currently here at the Hindon airport along with her sister. However, yesterday evening the information which was being given by the sources was that Sheikh Hasina was scheduled to leave from the national capital at around 1 o'clock in the night, and for that reason there is no official confirmation which has come as of now that what is the exact timing when Sheikh Hasina is going to leave for London, because there was a continuous conversation which was going on between her and the authorities of United Kingdom for the permission which needs to be given to Sheikh Hasina for the political asylum, as there was a continuous delay because in the past 2 days we have seen that how the violence had erupted within UK because of the stabbing incident of the 3 girls there, and for that reason the authorities of the United Kingdom were also not really sure whether they want to give this political asylum to Sheikh Hasina or not, and that was the only reason why there was a continuous delay on their part to give this permission to her. However, now it is being told to us by the sources that Sheikh Hasina will be visiting London, but she is not being given a very long time to stay there, and that is yet to be decided that at what particular time she is going to leave from here. However, on the other side, if we talk about Bangladesh situation, then as of now the information which is coming in is that the meeting had taken place between the president and the 3 chiefs of the services as well as the political leadership there, and it is being decided that there should be immediately an interim government needs to be formed so that the violence and the looting which is currently going on needs to be stopped as soon as possible. Also, it is being decided that all those people who were being detained during the protest that had erupted within Bangladesh will also be released. So all these important decisions have been taken place within the Bangladesh. Also, we will be seeing that at what time Sheikh Hasina is going to leave from the national capital for London, and we are here and we will update as soon as we get any kind of information regarding this visit of Sheikh Hasina to London.
So the final destination will be United Kingdoms, but when Sheikh Hasina along with her sister are going to leave is something that is not clear yet. Thank you, Niyamika, for all the updates. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.